everybody and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our AIA Beauty Bundle, aka American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This is a bi-monthly subscription and this box is the February-March box. This will be a try-on type of tutorial type of unboxing for you guys. Pretty excited about it. I will also have a video over on my Instagram how I created the eye look, the lipstick, all of that. So if you guys want to follow me over on my Instagram, I'm going to pop up a QR code. If you just use your little smartphone, open up the camera on your phone and take a picture, or just point your camera to it. That's what I'm trying to say. It's gonna take you over to my Instagram. Click that follow button because there will be a giveaway going up very soon, and like I would say probably in the next week or so. So make sure you're following your girl over there at Hot Mess Mama of 4. Anyways, guys, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's RHONDA, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where good vibes only, my friends. Good vibes only. I'll have it linked down below. Of course, it's from Torrid. You guys know, one of my favorite plus size curvy girl shops. Y'all, I'm feeling rather chatty today, so might as well go ahead, grab a drink, grab a beverage, whatever it may be, and let's go ahead and jump right in. By the way, I promise to talk about the rest of my makeup and everything. I'll have it linked and listed down below in case I do happen to forget to talk about all of that. So before we jump into the February-March AIA Beauty Bundle, let me tell you a little bit about the AIA Beauty Bundle. Now this, like I told you guys, is the February-March box. All of this that I'm going to show you today is $34. Again, bi-monthly, $34. You will receive at least 5 full-size products. It will have a value of at least $100. And I'm on their website right now, and if you sign up for one box, it's $34. However, if you do prepay 6-month or 1 year, it actually drops it down quite a bit for you guys. So I thought that was pretty nice. Now, a little information about what is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. The AIA Beauty Bundle is the first ever bi-monthly subscription bundle giving you exclusive access to influencer brands and products. Each bundle features a new influencer and their 5 to 6 full-size beauty products based on their passion, expertise, ranging from makeup, skincare, and hair care. Every bundle is valued over $100 for just $34. That does include free shipping. With each bundle purchased, $1 is donated to the City of Hope for cancer research and our fight against COVID-19. So that's really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. This is not a first impression. I have gone ahead and played with everything in this box. So once you open this beautiful sparkly pink made for me box, you're gonna see a little card in here for the February and March box. So this is the front of the card, and we do see an ambassador for this box, which is the Bella Pierre line of products. She does tell you a little information about some of the items in here. On the other side, you will see another continuation of all of the items inside here, retail value, and a little information about them. As well as there's also a coupon code. If you use coupon code BELLA123, you will receive 40% off between April 1st and April 15th at BellaPierre.com. I don't know why I'm singing. Anyways, first item in here, and I feel like this is the most exciting product in this box, and this is their 35 pan eyeshadow palette. It's the Ultimate Nude Eyeshadow Palette by Bella Jouer Cosmetics. Now, it is in your standard type of cardboard packaging. I am going to pop up a video of me creating this eye look, as well as it is over on my Instagram if you guys need it like slowed down, or you want to repeat it, or you want to create the same look, what have you. And this is the back of it. It does tell you 35 color palette, and it does say that it is cruelty-free, 24-month shelf life. And when we open it up, we have a large size usable mirror in here, and then look at this beautiful colors. I mean, absolutely beautiful. I'm singing again. Oh my gosh, I'm in one of those moods, guys, you know. So little information about this eyeshadow palette. It's called the Ultimate Nude Eyeshadow Palette. It does have 35 buttery smooth eyeshadows with a range of matte, satin, shimmer, and foil eyeshadows. And again, retail value $50. So as you see me creating this eye look, what I can tell you guys is I felt like the matte I absolutely loved. I thought they were super easy. And when it says buttery, definitely buttery, easy to work with, no issues whatsoever. This I believe is like the foiled eyeshadow that they have. This was a little on the chunky side. I still obviously got it, you know, was able to get it to work for me. But with that being said, I did have quite a bit of fallout with the chunkiness. Now again, that's probably an operator error or user error, wherever you want to call it. Maybe I didn't use the correct tool, which was my finger. But for me, I like to use my finger when it comes to foils, glitters, shimmers, what have you, just because I like to kind of warm it up before I apply it, because I do have mature eyelids. So, you know, I feel like it helps it to melt into the skin a little bit. As you can tell, I feel like we went ahead, we pulled it off. It looks really pretty on, but I did want to let you guys know, because of having the fallout, if you are someone like me who applies like your face or base makeup first, you may have to just do a little extra work as far as removing some of the fallout. Or you can just keep it like I do and sparkle and glitter and all of that. As far as this blue shade, you're gonna see in the video, I struggled a little bit with this. Again, that was more of an operator error. For whatever reason in my head, I'm like, oh, that's a total matte shade. It's not. It's more of like a soft satiny shimmer shade. And again, you're gonna notice that in my video, I don't feel like I used the right brush off the bat. Once I switched up the brush and then mixed it with a true matte shade right here, I feel like I was able to get the payoff that I was looking for. More of that, you know, kind of deepened, sultry kind of look without being too dark or too vampy. And again, keep in mind, this palette is more of a neutral nude type of palette with pops of colors. This right here is almost like a duochrome shift. Absolutely love this shade. It's again buttery, creamy, easy to work with, and it was just a all-around beautiful color. So again, I don't think that it was the palette. I think it was definitely just different techniques that I used. That is why I think I struggled a little bit. But overall, I love the mattes in here. Absolutely loved this shade right here. And again, it's one of those things, you know, like I don't not like the palette. I do love the palette. It was just my techniques were a little different than I think that what it needed. So, and again, we adjusted it and created a beautiful look. And as far as the shades in this palette, I love it. I think that for this palette, ooh, you could create some really pretty neutral friendly everyday go to work looks. Get some of those berry shades in there, and again, you've got your pops. You've got some pops in there, and I think you're just going to be able to create a overall really pretty look. I think I took way too long on that. Okay, moving on, I'm going to just go ahead and show you guys the next two items, and again, you're going to see me apply them as well. And this is the Banana Setting Powder in medium. It's a color correcting setting powder that has a subtle yellow hue to counteract any redness or discoloration. Ideal for setting under the eyes, spot correcting, or even used as a base eyeshadow tip. Also, great for baking your makeup. Retail value $35. Actually, let's just start with the powder. So when you open it up, it definitely has that tint to it. And you know what it reminds me of color wise? Very similar, I feel like, to the Fenty, I have it sitting right here, the Fenty powder. That powder, I was a little nervous. This is in the banana shade. When I saw the colors to the Fenty, which it's a little bit lighter, I was a little nervous it was going to be a little too dark for my skin tone. However, just like the Fenty powder, when you go and apply this, it just like blends out easily, almost like a translucent color. So don't be too worried about this shade being too dark for you. If you're around my skin tone color, I think it's gonna, or darker, I think it's gonna work perfect for you. I don't know about it being lighter, just because this is what I'm working with, you know what I mean? But overall, I thought it was really pretty, really lightweight, not real cakey or anything on my skin, and it's a really soft type of feel. Now for me, because I have mature skin, I don't do any baking, but if you do, like, awesome sauce, this is apparently really good for that. Moving on to the next item, which you will see in that video that I did use this together. This is the mini kabuki brush. It's the best seller alert. This super soft, dense brush distributes product evenly and quickly, making it a staple for mineral makeup routine. It can also be used for powder or to blend makeup for a more natural look. It's cruelty free and it has a retail value of $20. So, you know, I did really like this brush. Like, look at me going in ham again. I like kabuki brushes, and it's been a really long time since I had one of this size that I actually really did enjoy. So that was really nice. And then the next item in here, which again, you'll see me apply this. Now, I did use a lip liner. The lip liner that I did use was one from my BoxyCharm box, I believe, or one of my Ipsy boxes. But this is the Diego Dalla Palma in 80. It's like a pinky undertoned lip liner that I did use with the Pierre Cosmetics matte lipstick in Incognito. You guys, when I hear or see or read matte lipstick, I'm like, oh heck no. Dry air. We don't need the moisture to be sucked out of my skin. You guys, this does not do that. This is a super uber comfortable formula. It's a really pretty, beautiful, peachy color. I mean, I know I swatch it in the video over here for you guys, but I'm extra. I'm gonna swatch because I really, really, truly did love this color. I love the formula on there, and I was quite shocked and surprised, to be honest with you guys. I think the little component, it's cute. It's just a little plasticky. Be careful if you put it in your purse type of component. But overall, the formula, the color, it just screamed me. It is definitely me. So this does have a retail value of $20. It's richly pigmented, and it's formulated with nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil, and it does last for hours, it says. There's minimal transfer too, guys, so that's really nice. Overall, for $34, I'm not done, okay? So $34, the powder, the brush, the lipstick, the eyeshadow palette, and I'm an infomercial. Wait, there's more. There is. There's an eyebrow pencil. Now this I did not actually use because the way my box was set up, it kind of fell behind and I didn't notice it right away until I looked at the card, and I was like, I already done had my brows on. So this is the Pierre. I keep saying that. Obviously everything in this box is all Pierre. RHONDA, like, pull it together, sis. Twist Up Brow Pencil in the shade Cocoa. Now, oops, rip that right off with my Peloton muscles. You guys, I'm telling you, my Peloton is like my therapy sesh. I absolutely love it. So this is what the pencil looks like. Let's take it off. We've got a little spoolie on one side. Oh yeah, perfect. This is what I love. Okay, so it is like a tiny, precise type of pencil. As far as the color goes, okay, so I'm kind of having to press a little hard, but look at this. We've got really perfection here as far as the little hair-like strokes go. So that's nice. Now, as far as the color goes, I'm not bothered by the color because I actually do use a medium shade for my brows. Well, that's because I have like mass anxiety, so I pretty much don't have brows here. Then I have thyroid issues and I don't have brows here. Yeah, I mean, I'm a hot doggone mess, hence the name of the channel, hence why we embrace it. So as far as the shade that you see my brows, I do go in with a medium pencil, so this will be perfect. And then I go in with the shade Haze for my Milk Makeup Kush. This is a brow gel, and I really help to focus everything in the front and kind of give it like an ombre look or what have you to my brows, but I love it, and you know, that's all that matters. So anyways, a little information about this pencil while I tangent on for 20 minutes about my eyebrows. It does have a retail value of $20. That's everything's expensive. So It's a twist up brow pencil in the shade Cocoa, so I guess across the board everyone will receive it. It's ultra slim, retractable brow pencil, and it allows for maximum precision when filling in those sparse brows. It's an oil-free formula and delivers smudge-free pigmentation that looks natural. Oh, okay. It's still there. We like it. Okay guys, so that is everything in the box. Sorry, I just got a notification that an interstate shut down, and so I'm making sure that Haley isn't on that interstate in that section. Yes, I am the mom who tracks my children. I don't care. She is where she's supposed to be. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, sorry guys. Real mom life. You know what? I'm gonna tangent yet again because that's what I do. Excuse me, but where's the manual for when your children grow up? They've got like infant years, toddler years, all of that, but y'all, I'm gonna need the when your children become adults manual. My mama heart can't handle that. That's a little too much. It is really stressful. I mean, she's gonna be 21 this year. Yeah. Then okay, I'm tangenting again. I digress, I bring it back, but you know what, mom at heart, mom life, this is how it is, real life. $34 for this AIA Beauty Bundle. Do I feel like you get your money's worth? Yes, I do. And I really love eyeshadow, as you guys know, and I could see myself really reaching for this palette specifically, obviously because it's a nude palette, for the neutrals in here. Great transition shades, and I mean, you've got like this nice shade, you've got some deeper shades in here as well to really like give yourself more of that sultry look if that's what you're looking for. But this is what I love about subscription boxes. There's not a chance, and you know where, that I'm gonna pay $50 for this, but $34 and get all these other goodies. Yes, that is why I always tell you guys I love subscriptions. I feel like you really get your money's worth. Like, you definitely get your money's worth. So anyways guys, I do believe I have a coupon code where you will receive like 10% off your first box. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that, just a way for you guys to save some money. So I will have that linked and listed down below. What are your thoughts on this box? I actually enjoyed it. I actually enjoyed it more than I expected to enjoy it when I saw the sneak peeks for the box. So that tells you guys a lot. So anyways guys, let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram. Here's my QR code yet again. I know I'm a broken record, but I'm trying to get that 10K swipey uppy. Anyways guys, don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I have kind of switched it up a little bit, and from vlogs to plus size curvy girl try on fashion hauls, and I have been enjoying myself so much. It's so fun. Anyways guys, until next time, as always, check my description box down below on signing up for the AIA Beauty Bundle. Thank you to AIA Beauty Bundle for sending this over my way to unbox and review for you guys. I do greatly appreciate it. All my makeup will be listed and linked down below, of course, with my Good Vibes Only t-shirt from Torrid. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. I'm singing again. Gotta go. Bye guys. Mwah.